how to use dodge and burn feature on photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to select the picture that you want to dodge or burn. That is, dodge and burn is a basically lightening and making it darker option. Then you have to click on the picture and rasterize it before moving any further. Then you have to go and click on the dodge and burn tool. Now you have to select the mid-tone, shadows and highlights option, and you have to select the exposure, and then you can just click on it and start highlighting the option. If you want to use the burn tool, then you have to click on the burn tool, and you can also select the mid-tone or shadows or highlights. Then you have to go and select the tone, and then you can darken it by saying this, I am darkening it. Then you can also change the size of your pen, and let's say I am darkening this whole area. This is the dodge and burn option. This is how you can use the dodge and burn option in photopea.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.